rightly said, reading helps your mind bloom. Reading is an adventure that never ends. Reading plays a vital role in a child's overall development. Reading also nurtures imagination, creativity. It exposes students to diverse experiences, cultures, perspectives, helping them grow into empathetic and open-minded individuals. With this thought now, I pass on the command of the assembly to Prithvi.
Good morning everyone. I am Ritwir on behalf of class 1D. Welcome you all to a bright, beautiful morning. Our topic for our assembly is turning pages, opening minds. Now, I request my friends to come on the stage for the prayer. Reading improves our imagination. We can travel anywhere through books. Reading makes us confident. Storybooks teach us good values. Reading is fun and interesting.
A reader today is a leader tomorrow. Now I would like to invite my friends to share some poems with you.
My poem is I love to read. I love to read both day and night. Books make my world so big and bright. Stories, poems, facts to know. Reading helps my mind to grow. So let's pick up a book and start today. Reading will guide us all the way. The title of the poem is The Magic of Reading. Reading is a magic key. It shows the world to view and read stories, poems, big and small. Books can take us anywhere at all. Open a book and you will see how wonderful you can be. Reading helps our mind to grow. It is the best gift they can learn. Thank you. We are going to see how many pages we are going to see how many pages
Yes.
I'm a book with 100 pages. I give you new ideas. Look, I learned ABC. Now I can read words. Yes, Lego Supreme learned languages. Wow, a story of a knight and a mouse. It teaches me to be kind. Stories open your heart and mind. When numbers 1 to 3, now I can count. Math open your mind to problem solving.
So you need to look at map.
A map of India. I learn about my country and the world. Knowledge makes your mind travel far and wide. When we turn pages, we open our minds. Reading makes us bright and wise. So friends, let us read every day because turning pages opens our minds.